Hi Ninja Bricks, Ninja Master Nick here, and today I got all the Ninjago shorts that I watched and review, and this time I'm going to be doing shorts for the Ninjago pilots, and I think these do take place after the 2-episode pilots. It's been a while since I seen these. I'm going to be starting with Secrets of the Blacksmith, which I've seen is the first episode in these shorts, and I'm going to be giving my thoughts a little bit at the end of the watching review as always. And if you enjoy today's Ninjago pilots, Secrets of the Blacksmith short watching review, make sure to give this video a like and comment. And if you're new to the channel, press the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified when a new Ninjago video is uploaded to the channel. And share this video when you know. And now it's going to do my first watching review of the Ninjago pilots, shorts. Watching review, Secrets of a Blacksmith, and enjoy the watching review.
Secrets of the Blacksmith.
Hey, Nia, check this out.
I would say this one is pretty much about Jane. I'm about to the blacksmith shop, which later on in Seabound is called the smithy, which was what Maya mentioned to Nia. So I think it's either the last names, the smithies, or that's what was where Maya had Kai and Nia call have a blacksmith shop.
Jay, grow up. Thanks for helping out, Blue Boy. Now that I'm moving in with you guys, I just need to get a few things.
Okay, cool. Need a hand?
No, just wait here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I think I do that at this as a Lego set, and I think that is the play feature for it. Hey, I don't exactly remember if that's the case or not, but I think there's like that or something. Hey.
Well, hello, little girl. We've been expecting you.
May I remind you that this is private property and that trespassing is against Ninjago Law, paragraph 13, section 2?
Oh, I thought paragraph 13 was... Hey! Hey!
Don't lose your head now!
What's up with Skeletons in trying to kidnap Nia?
Hey, Nia, maybe after this you want to go for a... Oh, Jay.
Missed me! Get her!
Well, I think I forgot to mention, this is how she had that bracelet thing that she led from season 1 all the way up to season 7. And when she became a samurai and the water ninja.
Hold this!
Nia? Ninjago! Nia, you're all right. What was that sound?
Nothing. Just knocked over some samurai helmets.
Why don't you just tell him that you are taught by skeletons? It's pretty much not that hard to do.
Whiplash, man! We just got beaten by a girl! This remains between the four of us.
And that's about it for our watching review. And now let's move on to the first section of this watching review. And that was the first watch-in review to the Ninjago pilots. It was kind of funny and interesting. And you see how, and yet, I had that communicator basic thing, and that she led throughout the first 7 seasons of Ninjago after being rescued back in the pilot episodes. And then she got a drop on by the skeletons again, but this time she was a lot more prepared. And he for some reason didn't want Joy to help her patch some stuff to move into a monastery with the ninja. And that's going to be it for today's Ninjago pilot shorts watching review. Like, comment, and subscribe. And turn on the notification bell if you're new. And more videos will be coming your way soon. And I will see you guys next time on Ninja Master Network.